Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. Today I want to talk to you about playing along with deno, fresh, and langchain large language models. I'm trying to set up a bot and I'm trying to see how I could play along with it for the best, right? So let me show you what I have right now. It's a first version. I definitely want to extend upon it. I want to try things out to the better, but this is just my first start. So what I have right now is I have a application where I have islands. Islands are parts within Fresh that can render separately on the browser, right? So I created something like this. It is an input field where we use signals. One is loading and the other one is answer. Then we have a on submit. We try to get the response back, and we are just going to render out our response into the browser, right? Then I have a routes API, and then I have a search. And for that search, well, I have created something like this. I have a result, make a stream, and in that make a stream, I can show you uh, I am using a request. On that request, I get the URL back, and I can sanitize this. I can then start up ollama with llama 3. I'm starting the conversation chain, and then I just do a call with our input sanitize query, and then I do result.response. So we have a search. We can click on enter, and it will give us a response back. And of course, then we can show it into the browser. So this is how it looks like. Not so fancy, of course. I just created something so I can click on hi, I am Jimmy, or I'm Jim. See that it's pending, and then we'll get our result back. And normally, yeah, this should be written down better, of course, more with something like nice to meet you. My name is Ara, by the way, and so on, and that it's more streaming, right? But again, like I said, that's something that I want to work upon and search a little bit through next time. One of the things I'm very much of in favor of is here lamps.perplexity. If we, for example, search or look into it how this looks like, we can see here in the network tab, if I refresh, that it's using socket.io. Well, socket.io is for Node.js, how to very easily build up WebSockets, right? But if I do something like, hi, I am Jim, for example, you see that it's really streaming and it gives you a better result back. And then, of course, if I look here, you see your output, hi, I am Jim, is a phrase, blah, blah, blah. And it's really, yeah, gives you more and more over the stream, right? And then we can build things up correctly. So I hope to maybe also dive a little bit deeper into WebSockets and Fresh and so on. I hope to get you guys also hooked up how to do that. We will also make the interface a little bit better, and I hope to create more and more videos around this, working with deno, Fresh, and langchain. I think these are cool technologies just to try it out and see how far we get. It's a fun project to do so, and I will learn a lot along the line, and I guess maybe you guys will also learn a lot along the line, right? So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you learned a little bit from it. I will still show you the code a little bit. So like I said before, here we have our fetch, right, where we do our query, and then here we have, of course, our API, which is great. But like I said, it would be better to have something like a WebSocket, and then we can send our query to the WebSocket, and then the WebSocket handles it, and we can do it and show it on the front end. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for hopefully liking this video. We'll see. But yeah, for me, it's an exciting time to just try out different things on the web and see how it goes and learn along the line. Thank you very much. See you next time.